In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Gantt chart in just 5 minutes using Tableau. This hands-on guide is perfect for visualizing project timelines, helping you with project management and planning. Let's dive in and keep it simple and straightforward. First off, open the Tableau public app. If you haven't yet downloaded it, head over to their website and get it set up. It's free, easy to install, and a staple tool for anyone working with data visualization. Once you've got the app open, navigate to your worksheet. If you're not already in a blank worksheet, go ahead and start one. This is where all the magic happens. And don't worry, everything here is reversible, so you can try things out without any fear. Next up, you'll want to drag your order date to the columns area. You do this by clicking on your dataset to locate Order Date. Then simply dragging it over to the column section. It will, by default, display as a range, but you want to make sure it's set to Exact Date. Right-click on your order date in the column and change it if necessary. This adjustment will ensure your timeline is precise. Now, onto the rows. Drag your order ID over to the rows section. This step will populate each entry corresponding to your timeline, giving it that orderly look that makes Gantt charts so effective. If you have a large data set, you might want to filter the order IDs to keep your workspace tidy and relevant. Use the filter option for this. Just decide which orders are necessary for the current view. Once you have your dates and IDs in place, it's time to change your chart type to the Gantt bar. Over on the right-hand side, you'll see a drop-down menu in the Marks area. Click it and choose Gantt bar. That will immediately convert your data into the start of a Gantt chart format, and you'll begin to see the structure we're aiming to build. Next, let's create a calculated field. This part might sound tricky, but bear with me. It's all about a bit of pre-planning. Go to the Analysis menu at the top, select Create Calculated Field, and give it a name. Let's call it Size. The creation of this field is crucial as it controls the length of your bars, representing the actual duration of tasks in your Gantt chart. With your calculated field done, drag it onto the size area within the Marks pane. This step adjusts your bars' lengths based on the corresponding calculated values. And there you have it. Your Gantt chart is live and ready. You can tweak it further by experimenting with formatting or adding colors. Remember, visualization clarity is key, so feel free to make adjustments that help improve the insight your Gantt chart provides. That's all for building a Gantt chart in Tableau. Thanks for joining me, and now it's your turn to give it a try.